Hello, and welcome to the My GM Partner Perks website. The first step to logging in is creating your account using the fields in the lower right under Create New Account. If you have an existing AC Delco 360 or GGMR account, you will want to use the name and email you use for that account. If you do not have an existing account, use your legal first and last name and an email address that is unique to you. Once you enter that information, click the radio button below that applies to you, then click Submit. An email will be sent to the address you entered. This email will have a link to create your password. When you receive an email with the subject line, Complete Your Enrollment, open it and click on the Verify My Account button. A page to create your password will pop up. You will create a password using the criteria on the left side of the screen. You will enter your password twice. Click Submit and you will return to the My GM Partner Perks login page. On the login page, enter the email you used to create your account and the password you just created. The GM privacy statement will appear. You will need to scroll through and read the document to enable the acknowledgement box. Click the box and hit Continue. You will be brought to the user account page. If you are a completely new user, you will complete all name, address, and phone number fields. If you want to use your Social Security number for tax purposes, you will enter it here. If you want to use your business's EIN, you will click the box indicating that decision. Social Security numbers and EINs entered on this site are encrypted and securely stored. You will also need to create answers for 3 security questions. Then hit the Next button. Now you will be in the Manage Business section. If our system has information on your business from previous AC Delco 360 or GM Genuine Parts programs, that information will be pre-populated. Click on Review to view your business's information. If we do not have information on your business in our system, you will come right to the Add New Business screen. You can search for your business using your business address, DUNS number, or SAD code. Enter your search information and click the Search button. If your correct business populates on the screen, click Add. If your correct business does not populate, click the link on the bottom of the screen to manually enter it. Your business information will populate on the Verify Standardized Address page. Click the Verify My Address button. A normalized address from the U.S. Postal Service will populate below. To ensure your purchases are matched with your business, we highly encourage you to choose Use this address for this address. If you feel you need to edit the U.S. Postal Service address, you can change it in the fields above and hit Verify My Address again. If the correct address is still not returned, verify what you think is the correct information and click the link below. On the next page, if you have chosen to use your EIN for tax purposes, you will enter it here. If your business name or address has changed in the last 12 months, click this box and fill in the new information. Then use the drop-down menu to select the business type that most accurately reflects your primary business. If you have a fleet business, additional questions will appear for you to answer. If your business has a PO box, you can check that box and enter the PO information. Next, enter your phone number, if it is not already pre-populated, and select your hours of operation. Indicate your locator preference, then click Save. The business you entered will now appear on the Manage My Business page. From here, you can click Edit to make changes, or click Add New Business if you want to enter another of your businesses. When you have finished this section, click Next. You will now be in the Manage Sellers section. If we have seller information for your business in our system, it will be pre-populated here. Choose your primary seller. You'll also want to add an account number for each seller. The number is the one your seller uses to identify you on your receipts or invoices. It's important to get this number right because it is how your business gets rewarded for all eligible purchases. Once you enter an account number, your seller will receive an email with this information. Your seller must certify the account number you entered in order for you to receive rewards. The account number will be pending until your seller certifies it. If you want to add another seller, click the Add New Seller button to find the businesses you buy from. Fill in the fields and click Search. Click Add for the result that is correct for your business. Click the box to associate that seller with your business and hit Save. This seller will now show up in your list, and you can click the plus sign to enter an account number. Once you have added and entered account numbers for all your sellers, click Next. Now you will enroll in a My GM Partner Perks program. Choose the program package that best suits your business. If you want the optional training available with that package, click Include Optional Training. If you need more information before making a selection, click View All Program Details, and a handbook will open in a separate window. You can also click the boxes next to Buy Power Personal and Business Card and AC Delco Protection Plans and Prepaid Maintenance if you want to receive emails with more information on those products. Once you have made all selections, click Next. Now you will review and check out for your program. If your program level requires approval, it will fall under the Pending category. If it does not require approval, it will automatically be under Approved Businesses. Click the e-Sign Agreement button. Read through the entire document. When you reach the end, the Sign button will become enabled. The Adopt Your Signature page appears. Type your legal name in the full name field, then click Adopt and Sign. A PDF of your agreement will appear. We recommend you save and/or print this document now, but you will be able to access it later. At the bottom of the page, you will again certify that you are eligible to enroll this business. If your program requires payment, click the Pay Now button. On this page, you will enter your credit card information. If you are using your EY card for payment, choose the Discover card in the drop-down menu. Enter all information and click Save. You will receive an email confirming your enrollment.